Welcome to my channel. Let's dive into today's amazing project, AI Image Generator. This project brings your imagination to life using cutting-edge AI models like Stable Diffusion and Flux. Simply describe your vision in words. Choose a model and watch AI turn it into stunning images in seconds. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just curious about AI art, this tool offers endless creative possibilities. Stay tuned as I take you through how it works, its features, and how you can use it to generate breathtaking visuals. Let's dive in. Get ready to unleash your creativity with our AI image generator. With just a few clicks, you can generate multiple images at once, saving you time while exploring endless possibilities. Need the perfect fit? Customize the aspect ratio. Whether it's square, portrait, or widescreen, you're all set for social media, artwork, or even wallpapers. And for the ultimate user experience, switch between light and dark themes, designed to keep you comfortable no matter your time of day. Whether you're creating on the go or late into the night, we've got you covered. Create stunning AI art effortlessly. Thanks for watching.